Meet Cameron. He's a proud owner of the brand new G-Bike, a revolutionary foldable electric bicycle. Assisted with a powerful motor, go up hills without breaking a sweat. Paired with efficient gears and rings, get there fast and get there easy. Customize your ride with a speed selection of 6 choices. And ride as long as you want with over 55 miles on a single charge. When you've arrived, folding up is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You don't need to bother locking up because you can wheel it on in. You can store it right under your desk and let it charge until you need it again. We've created G-Bike as a green and convenient alternative to current transportation. We've also made sure it's affordable, yet crafted with the best of components.
We've all had that childhood dream of cruising effortlessly on the coolest bikes around, faster than anyone else. The X Series look just like normal bikes, but their powerful motors get rid of the pain so that you only keep the fun. The SX is equipped with a mid-motor, which allows you to use its 9-speed Shimano gears to their full extent at any power level. This enhances the range of the motor's torque. You will feel as light as a feather going uphill and reach impressive speeds in only a few seconds. Meanwhile, the FX compact rear motor will take you anywhere in a flash, while its 9-speed Shimano gears let you ride it like a normal bike. Our onboard computer is full of smart functionality. It essentially gives you the choice between an effortless glide and a fitness ride. Comfort and control were our top priority in order to make sure that the X Series provides you with the best riding experience. There are no secrets here. We equipped our bikes with high-performance hydraulic disc brakes and an ergonomic saddle. We also added front suspensions to the SX so that riding through rough terrain feels like flying over smooth hills. The FX can be fully folded and unfolded in a few seconds thanks to its easy 3-step folding system. It is compact and light enough to literally take it anywhere with you. The SX will take you more than 60 kilometers away. Its battery pack perfectly locks and integrates within the bike's sleek carbon frame. The FX also carries more than 50 kilometers of range in a compact, energy-dense battery that easily and discreetly fits onto the bike. A lot of our design efforts went into integrating wires and electric components in the frame while getting rid of the bulky shapes that made e-bikes notoriously awkward. We tested the X Series in all environments, all conditions to make sure that you get a bike you trust, a bike that never lets you down.
The X Series is now finally ready for production. We need your help to bring these incredible bikes to life and reduce production costs.
With your trust and our knowledge and hard work, we will finally release the true potential of electric bikes
To you and the world. So join us, make your commutes a pleasure, your free time an adventure, and help us create a brighter future. Thanks, guys.
the Taga 2.0. The most comfortable, safe, easy to ride, practical, and just all-around coolest family bike you could possibly imagine. The Taga 2 has everything our customers wanted and much more. Safety first. Taga has 3 wheels, so it's inherently stable. The cargo box materials are super strong plastics with a metal frame inside that makes the seating area durable and resistant to impact. The child seats themselves have endless features and options. Taga can take 1 or 2 kids, facing forwards, backwards, or facing each other for a boatload of laughs. To keep it versatile, in seconds, Taga 2 turns from a family bike into a lockable cargo bike with extra load space on top. We use disc brakes and a Shimano gear, and you can always easily turn it into an electric bike for effortless long-distance rides. Now for the fun part. Apart from the wind in their hair, we wanted the kids to have a truly enjoyable adventure on our bikes. So we added the accessory bar, to which you can attach a variety of fun add-ons. Yes, there's also a water gun. And when it rains, or if the kids just want some privacy, there's the Royal Canopy. Let's see, what else? Nope, it can't fly. Yet. But it can all be taken apart to fit in your car trunk. Oh, and the seats come in a variety of colors, because you know, the personal touch transforms our own ultimate bike into your own ultimate bike. Last, but certainly not least, the price. While creating the Taga 2, we never forgot the one thing everyone asked.
Make it affordable.
Make it affordable.
Make it affordable.
So we did. Because to turn the family bike trend into a real revolution, we had to make it accessible for everyone. Whether you use it for a weekend trip, a drop-off, for shopping, or to carry your loyal friends, the Taga 2 is an ideal solution.